Do you have low resolution videos and are you looking for a tool that can upscale these videos, make them super sharp and remove all that blur from these videos? I'm gonna show you a great tool that can do all of these things in one simple click. So let's get into this video. Alright, the tool that I'm going to use is called Aiarty Image Enhancer, and here I'm at the start screen. And let's import a couple of example videos. Let's start with this video of a frog sitting on a branch. And what I want to do here is I want to make the quality better. I want to upscale this low resolution video to a bigger size and some sharpness in this video. So let's zoom into this video. This is actually the before. So when I move this to the left, you can see this is the before video. This is what I have now. On the right side, we have the settings for this video. And here we need to select different AI models to edit our video. When we go to AI model, we have different AI models available. There are 3 AI models available. And for this one, I can select one of these 3. If you want to know what these do, you also see it here underneath it, or you press this question mark and get even more information about each AI model. There's also some instructions here that you can read through if you want to know what are the best practices. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a different AI model. I'm going to select Smooth HQ because I think this one works best for this video. Here I have the upscaler, and this means how much do I want to upscale my video. So if I'm going to select one time, it's only going to make the quality better of the video. It's not going to change the resolution. If I'm going to select 2 times, this is a 720p video, so it will be a 9020 video, right? And if I select 4 times, it will be even bigger. But the best thing is to not go from 1 to 4 at once, do it gradually. So start with doing 2 times first, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Now let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before, this is how the video looks now, and after it will look like this. And look at that, we get that sharpness. First we had all that blur, and then we're getting all that sharpness, and also on the branch there. So before, blurry video, and after, sharper. This is zoomed in a lot, so actually you're gonna see it like this, more like this. Before, after, all that sharpness. And that's pretty much all we have to do. We can also do some color grading here on the right side. If you go to color, we enable this. We can change the colors here, we can do some lighting settings here, etc. So let me just bring the temperature a bit to the left and the tint a bit to the right, like that. Just a little color grade inside this tool. And now all we have to do is just export this. So I'm gonna select an export folder here, and then I can click on export current. But we can also just batch export a lot of videos at once. So let's actually do one more video, or let's do 2 more. And I'm gonna use, let's say, this video. So I'm gonna drag it here inside this tool. Now this is another video that is also a pretty low resolution video. If we move this to the right, you can see the face is a bit blurred out. So I'm gonna select a different AI model here. I'm gonna go for a Super Video VHQ. And then if you move the slider from left to right, or actually from right to left, you can see we're getting more sharpness in the video. We're removing that blur. Let me zoom in here. Before, after, you can see the face starts getting sharper. There's another thing that I want to do to this video. I feel like the video could be a bit brighter. So I'm going to go to, let's go to color, and I'm going to add some exposure to make it a little bit brighter like that. And now you can see I can do all these things inside one tool. I don't have to go inside my video editor. I can do this all inside Aiarty Video Enhancer. So before, after, I think it looks great. We also have an upscale of 2 times, and I'm actually already done with doing these videos. The only thing we have to do is export them. But I want to do one more video, so we have 3 videos, so you can see the difference between 3 videos. And let's, for instance, do this video. You can see this is video of a dog. Let's look at the before. It's a pretty blurry video. Now for this, I'm going to select a different AI model. I'm going to go for Smooth HQ again. And this AI model works better on this video. Before, after, look at that. You can see that blurriness. And after, it gets pretty sharp. We have an upscale of 2 again. So if you want to do 4 times, first let's do 2. And I'm going to show you what to do if you want to do it like 4 times. So we have everything here, and all we have to do is click on batch export at the bottom here. You can also change the settings if you want to have a different format. Let's say you want to have a MOV file and not MP4. Just change it here. Also, you can change the video codec and audio codec, etc. Now, let's click on batch export and let it export everything. Now, let's say I want to make this one with the dog even bigger resolution. What I would do is let me go back here and let's first remove all these videos. We don't need them anymore. And what I would do is I would use this exported one. I will import this into Aiarty again, and then I will select 2 times again. And that means that first we did 2 times, it got 2 times bigger, and now we're taking the 2 times file and make that 2 times bigger. So you're actually getting 4 times the original size of the video. Again, we have to select an AI model. So I'm gonna go with Smooth HQ, and you can see the before, after, it gets even sharper. And this was a really small file. And let's actually export this. I'm gonna go with export current. So I'm gonna export this video, and down here you can see it will be a 4K video now. So let's actually look at the results of all these videos that we just exported. All right, so here is the frog one on the left side. You can see the before, it was a pretty blurry video, and on the right side is the after that got super sharp. Next we have the girl, the artist that is painting. On the left side, again, the before, pretty blurry video, low resolution. And on the right side is the upscaled version that got sharper. And we also did some color grading, like making the brightness a bit lighter. And last but not least, the dog that was really small resolution video. And now it got a 4K video. And this is how we transformed a small resolution video into a 4K video. That's all you have to know. I'll put a link in the description of the video. There you can try it out and put it in your own videos and see the results for yourself. There is a free trial available, so you don't need to buy it directly. You can try it out for free to see if it works on your videos before making a purchase. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.